Conditions at Snoqualmie Pass are more settled this evening after a rare blizzard warning was in effect across the mountains this morning.
The National Weather Service reported a wind gust over 100 miles per hour at Alpental earlier today. KOMO's Claire Weber is live from Snoqualmie Pass after talking with travelers about the roads and the lack of snow. Claire?
Mary Preston, most drivers say they had decent conditions and beautiful views traveling through the pass in the second half of the day. Still, many are still eyeing the mostly bare mountains and ski slopes, hoping for a change soon. A thin blanket of white starts to cover Snoqualmie Pass, while the mountains continue facing low snow levels just days before the start of winter.
Usually we got at least a foot or two coming and building up on the mountains, so it's kind of sad not having it right now.
Snowplows travel up I-90, preparing for an expected 10 to 15 inches of snow at Snoqualmie Pass. Meanwhile, over 80 to 100 mile-per-hour winds whip through these mountains early in the day.
We made it a point to leave around noon so that we can, have less wind and better conditions on the roadway.
The mix of wintry conditions and wind prompting a rare blizzard warning, likely unsafe for many drivers to be on the road.
We're prepared. I got good tires and good chains and four-wheel drive, so not too worried about it.
Those Subarus are great. They track really well, and we had no problem. We just switched off, but heavy winds. You could feel, buffeted around a bit.
Local businesses like this coffee shop spent the day with a closed door and their lights off.
I didn't realize that there was no power here, so hopefully it's okay over when we reach Seattle.
All while mountain travelers, including the smallest of passengers, patiently wait for slopes to open.
It varies every year, so just kind of pray that we get better snowpack in the wintertime.
The latest conditions report from the summit at Snoqualmie says there's still not enough snow for them to open this weekend, but new this winter, Summit West now has a snowmaking system that resort officials say should hopefully get skiers back on the slopes quicker than in years past. Live from Snoqualmie Pass tonight, Claire Weber, KOMO News.